Hey guys, welcome to Let's Earn, an app that will allow you to earn some serious money by just sitting at home or in your free time. Let's see how it works. So basically, Let's Earn app allows you to share these links of online products or services with your friends, family, or anyone you want to. These are not normal links but are monetized links. For example, if a person you have shared this link with makes a purchase, then you will earn a commission from it. These earnings can multiply as more and more users orders. Even a small amount of product and service, when multiplied, creates a huge amount which then you can transfer into your bank account. Now, for instance, if you take Amazon India, which gives you 240 rupees per sale, remember, earnings can be different according to the products and categories. Now here you can select the channel where you want to share. Your channel can be a WhatsApp group or a Telegram channel, wherever you want to share. After that, click on Request Now. Amazon will approve your request, and once your request is approved, you can share the Amazon product links wherever you want to. Now it's time to see how much we have earned. Let's go to My Earning Report section. Here you can see the total number of sales generated via your links and your total earning. On the right, you can see statuses like pending, approved, rejected, earning, and paid. Let's learn about them. When a transaction is successful, it goes into a pending status, where it is checked for a genuine sale because return, refund, and other issues may occur. If there are no issues, then it goes to the approved state and else gets rejected. If approved, your commission amount goes into your earnings, that is earning state. The amount in your earning state can be requested for a withdrawal into your bank account. After successful bank transfer, it gets the paid status, which is the final one. My Earning Reports section also helps you analyze which brands and products work for you and your audience. This will help you optimize sharing and in turn increase earnings and productivity. Lastly, in the earnings section, where you can check your earnings and lifetime earnings. Now, what is lifetime earnings? The total amount transferred to your bank account, that is till date the earnings you have made so far. So that's it for today. I hope this video helped you. If you want to know more about Let's Earn app, stay tuned as we'll be coming with more videos which will help you earn better through Let's Earn app. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.